when we make things like salad dressings and dips, we have to be careful that the expiration date on every ingredient that we're going to put in there is past the time we're going to use it. So I generally just make small amounts because I don't want to have to throw it away because it's sat a little bit too long. The purchase by date on my heavy whipping cream is a month away. That doesn't mean I can use it for a month. Once you open it, you're supposed to use it within 7 days. So I have to look at both of those numbers when I make my dressings and dips and things so that they're all good.